Growing up with not much money, just my mum and my brother, when I bought my AMG, it was an absolute dream come true. But for some of us, we have a second dream, something that's unobtainable, something that you think you're never going to get. But my unobtainable dream has come true. That's why we're here today at Aston Martin. Okay, so now all the paperwork is done. We're sitting in the car that I own and I can't believe it. Just look how crazy it is inside. Look at all this leather and all this stitching. Pictures will not do this car justice. Sitting in here right now is just unreal. I truly am the most thankful and grateful person in the world right now. I mean, I've worked so hard for this, but I still don't feel like I deserve it. So this is a 2021 Aston Martin Vantage V8. It's done 13,000 miles and has one owner from new. At the front we have the 4-litre V8 bi-turbo engine that produces over 500 horsepower all to the rear wheels. And at the back we have one of the meanest back ends I've ever seen on a car. And it sounds epic too. It's been an absolutely crazy day and quite frankly a dream come true for me. And honestly guys, I can't thank you enough for supporting the channel over the years and watching the videos. This would not have been possible without the channel. This is not a flex or anything like that. I just love cars, and having the YouTube channel just allows me to buy silly cars like this. So guys, I really want to hear what you think about this car in the comments, and make sure you subscribe because the next video we're going to be taking it out for its first drive. Let's just listen to that engine one more time. It just sounds nuts.